Hey there, welcome to another episode of My Point 3 Garage. We need tires for the JK. Daughter's taking it in about a month, and just because we like to have fun, we thought, hey, we're going to try to get a free set of tires for this Jeep. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to ask somebody for a free set of tires, but that's not going to work out very well. Or we could just find things around the house and give ourselves 2 days to come up with the money that we need for new tires. This is how we did it. So we decided that we've got too much junk laying around the house and in the garage, and I just kind of started my dream garage conversion just the other day, and found several items that I will never use and that, you know, have maybe a little bit of value, not a lot of value. I've never used Facebook Marketplace and thought, you know, I'm sick and tired of Craigslist. I'm sick and tired of having to deal with buyers on that. And when I'm selling something for $20, it makes it even more aggravating. The amount of time spent with spamming and things like that isn't worth the $20 that you're making. So I thought I'd try Facebook Marketplace. Mandy and I had a competition. Anything in the house that we don't use anymore is free game, and we're going to see who can come up with the most money the fastest. We wanted to get at least, you know, $600 to buy new tires for the Jeep, just to have a little bit of fun. And in a day and a half, we sold $420 worth of just basically useless crap. And that useless crap was everything from, so I'll break it down for you so that you get the idea. There was a leather backpack that she didn't use. She sold it for $150 on Marketplace. Merrill shoes that had been well used, and I actually think she bought them from Goodwill in the first place, sold them for $30. An Athleta tank top for $20. Now, I don't know why someone would buy a used tank top for $20, but apparently it's a name brand Athleta that does it. Okay. We sold our dog crate that we crated the dogs in when we were training them. Sold that for $45, which kind of seemed like a heck of a deal for me. We sold some metal baskets that we had laying around for the longest time. Those metal baskets brought us $15. We had a new garbage disposal in a box that came with the house. And we've, you know, the disposal we have is fine. We're never going to use it probably. Sold that for $40. Sold my edge trimmer for $1. I actually had it listed for $10. Gentleman came by to look at it, and he had fallen on hard times and was basically trimming lawns now for his money since he blew his knee out and couldn't work in his regular profession. So I sold that to him for $1. Antique foundation jacks, some stupid purchase from a garage sale back, I don't know, 5 years ago, and I thought they looked cool, real heavy duty. Turned out I never used them, and every time I had to move them, they weigh like 50, 60 pounds a piece. Sold those for $50. A bucket of super absorbent acrylamide, which is basically the crystals you put in your lawn, you put in your garden, and they soak up water and kind of, you know, keep your garden growing with less water. We used to make cooling neckties out of them back in the day, and this 50-pound bucket would have made something along the lines of 40,000 cooling neckties. So no, I'm not going to do that. So had them for about 10 years. That bucket's been sitting around. I almost threw them away, and I thought, you know, I'll just put them on Marketplace and see what I can get for them. $50 is what 50 pounds of acrylamide goes for. Rolling work table, basically a free item that I got at one point. I don't use it anymore. That was $10. An Audi grill that I had for the Audi that I just sold came broken from the manufacturer. I called the manufacturer, said send me another one. They said keep the old one, I just sold the other one for 10 bucks. And then the 2 cats off the Audi were worth $90 at a recycler. So that total comes to actually $510, because 2 of those items were I sold while I was driving to go pick up these tires in Denver. So the tires in Denver, what we decided to do was, while we were on Marketplace selling these items, I thought, well, I'll look for used tires on Marketplace and just see if there's any good used tires. And we found a set of brand new JL tires and wheels, 18-inch, had 1,000 miles on the tires for, well, he started out at 300 bucks, which was a steal. But he went to 500 when he figured out that he had listed it way too cheap. But 500, I mean, that's $100 a tire and wheel. We're gonna sell the JK wheels. I already listed them, took pictures and listed them before I even got in the truck. I know I can get $100 for those things. So we'll get $100 for those, and that'll be $610. So out of this deal, in a 2-day game that Mandy and I were playing, we actually got a set of brand new JL tires and wheels, and ended up with $210 in cash. Marketplace. Go try it. So anyway, let's go take a look at those wheels and tires now. Look, we're missing a cap on one of them. Yeah, not bad. I honestly think that's the way that we're going to do everything from now on, because that was a lot of fun. So, there go see your... So get on Marketplace, sell some stuff, and buy some stuff. That's a wrap from My Point 3 Garage.